Making original photos can be a real headache when you are not a graphic designer or do not have a professional photo editor software. But as your business needs to make a great first impression to show off your products and services, knowing how to extract image backgrounds becomes an absolute necessity. If you are interested in having software that optimizes image background removal, stick around to discover what it is about and get a special price for you and your business. Welcome to SoftwareTrailers.com. Meet BackgroundCut, an application that promises to be the quickest and easiest way to delete or replace the backdrop of any photograph on the market. This online platform lets you quickly delete or replace the background of your photographs or graphic design projects, saving you significant time. With the combined power of artificial intelligence and machine learning, it only takes one click to perform an in-depth study of an image and erase the backdrop. If you merely drop or upload a snapshot into the app, its artificial intelligence technology can eliminate the backdrop in less than 5 seconds. You can crop your products, models, or whatever else you want to make them stand out by removing distractions. This can assist them in becoming more visible. The algorithms that eliminate backdrops more effectively and efficiently than ever will continue to improve due to machine learning systems that will be updated regularly. You can also customize your image output to your liking. In addition, you will be able to connect third-party applications to the tool and build your integrations tailored to fulfill the requirements most efficiently. Furthermore, BackgroundCut employs SSL and TLS encryption technologies to ensure the security and confidentiality of any changed photographs. The software can be used from the company's website or installed as a browser extension, making it instantly available and straightforward, even for expert photographers, video bloggers, and artists. If you are interested in acquiring this software, you can get a special deal for this platform, just by clicking on the description link below. So, what are you waiting for? Start creating amazing pictures to promote your products with this background removal platform. Try BackgroundCut today. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.